Hello everyone, my name is Robert. Today we're gonna learn about part 1. Now, first thing we're gonna learn is about life science. And what is life science? Life science is something that lives not in the ground or on the land, live everywhere. Life science have everywhere. Even we are a life science. We are look like life science peoples that we live. And the first part we learn is parts of the plants. And what is a plant really? Let's find out. And here we have a picture of a plant. You will discover this is like a little plant, a part of a plant. We got a part of a plant. It's kinda good, but we got some parts here. But what are they? Let's find out. Let's find out now. And we got the parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? Here are these things are parts of plants. But how is a plant parts help it live and grow? We will discover later on. But what actually a plant? Let's move on. This is my teacher's science.
One in our textbook.
In our textbook, this is our life science textbook about life science. And let's look for it. Maybe we try to duct. Let's go for it. Stop. Okay, that's good. And plant. And this is a plant. We see some things like a plant. Plants. Maybe you have a garden. Mommy have a garden that your mom plants these. And what actually a plant? A plant is a living thing. Living thing. Also us. We are living things. Animals also living things. But we don't live in the ground. Yeah, but plants stuck in the ground. So they grow in the ground. Grows in the ground. That grows in the ground. Yeah. I need It needs air, water, and sunlight. Huh. How can they get those? How can air they get when they start? And how water can they get? How sunlight can they get? The parts of the plants help it. Let's first look at it. Here we got the first part of the plants. It's the root. But this is just one root. There are many roots. That's more than one. But one root, many roots. More than one roots. The the roots of a what is a root? Roots do. What do roots do to help the plant? The roots of the plant take in water and hold the plant takes in water and hold the plants in the soil. It look like imagine in your head. Your body is a stand-up straight plant, and your legs look like your roots. And when there was a storm blow you away, is the roots stuck you into the ground. so it can stay still. Or a big plant, like almost a tree, it's very important to take care of them because they are old now. If the wind blows, they will fall out because their roots are old and they are old too, so they're easy to knock out. It holds up the plant, yeah. And stem. Let's move on to this part. When we see it, the root we don't see it, but the stem now we see it. A stem carries food and water through the plant. So the roots under it here it's here is taking also food, and then the roots they're all of them carry up in one stem, and the stem carry up to these these green things. We don't know, but let's later on. Through the plants, it's hold up the plants. When a storm blows, it didn't hold up, but the roots hold it up and carries food and water. So, so we move on to the next part, a leaf. But I have two ways. First is one, two is more than one. One leaf, many leaves, and leaves. His arm chased me. A leaf take in light. And what did the leaf do to help? A leaf takes in light and air. So the roots under here, they take in food, water, and even soil, carries up the stem, but then the leaves take in leaves and light and air from the sun, and they will grow something next. Leaves help the plant get food. Yeah, it helps the plant get food. Now we move on to the prettiest part of the plants. A flower. Plants have flowers. What does a flower make? Help us. Flowers. Plants have flowers. Flowers make fruits. Flowers are very beautiful. Yeah, you can see them in spring. There's so many colorfuls. And plants have flowers. Yeah, but flowers make fruit. We don't know what it is, but let's talk very soon. Flowers are very beautiful, I tell you. And now we move on to the fruit. Yeah, fruits. Fruits. Many ways, fruits. Fruits is a part of the plants with seeds. What is seeds? I'm gonna talk to you about it. Apples and lemons are common types of fruits. So if you cut an apple out, I tell you, you love apples, right? But you cut out, you may see the seeds. And if you take it out, plant it, it might grow into its new evolution again. And if you cut each again, just put them put them in the ground. Many ways it may be useful because it's make more air for we to breathe. And don't chop down a tree, bro. And we got and with the lemon, be careful. It's gonna be sour, but be careful for a seed because the seed it is sour, but lemonade doesn't sour. And common type of fruit, yeah. We're gonna talk about seeds now. Seeds are things that inside the fruit, and if you pick it out, the fruit is the last evolution of the plant. And when you take out the seeds, put them in the ground, it grow back up to a new tree. It looks like an old a game just starts and ends, it just come back like nothing, just like a jellyfish. The jellyfish have old enough that it turned back into a small evolution and came back. Always. Uh, uh. And what is a branch? Many than one branches. A branch is an arm, like a part of a tree. Here, as you see, we have two arms, like like our branches. We look like some grown-up trees, and head look like a bush of leaves. And we do have some fruits. If you take this, does our eyes look like a fruit? Or some flowers here? That's joking. And now let's review something. This is the final thing you need to remember. We have a cool picture of our plants. It's kind of pretty. Well, what is pretty? This part. Do you guess what it is? Good. It is flowers. And we got this part, the tall part. Stand up still. You remember it? I give you a clue. It starts with the letter S. Good is a stem. And we got these green things. They have two kinds of words to read. Yes, you guess it's leaf. That's one. And more than one leaves. And this part, finally, the part that you can't see. Good is the roots. And that's ending today. Thank you for watching my video. And remember, if you want more things to learn, click in the description below and subscribe it. Or else I'm gonna go straight to your house. Not yet, that's just joking. But if you like this video, click more videos for me. Bye bye. See you next time. Have a good day.